Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a post or reel on Instagram. So let's get started. First, make sure to update Instagram app on your mobile device. Now open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap on plus icon at the top and from create menu, select reels or post. Now select a photo or video. Tap next. You can add a caption, effects and filters if needed. Now tap next. On the next screen, tap advanced settings. Now enable schedule this post using toggle switch. Select a date and time up to 75 days away. Once you select the schedule, tap set time. Now go back and tap schedule to schedule the post or reel. Note that you must have professional account on Instagram to use schedule feature. You can schedule up to 25 posts a day and you can schedule content up to 75 days in advance. So that is how you can schedule a post or reel on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.